Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to make a photo come to life, make it talk, blink, and move like a real person? DJN AI is your go-to app. We will go step by step from creating your script, image, syncing it with your voice or any audio clip, and adding natural facial movements that brings your character alive. Hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. I created my script using ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT type in your idea and then ask ChatGPT to generate a video script for that idea. ChatGPT will generate the video script scene by scene. Then you can, after the script has been generated, next thing I did is to head over to Meta AI, ordinary WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business, just WhatsApp, Meta AI. And I used Meta AI to generate pictures for each scene of the video script. So these were the pictures that I used. And after the pictures were generated, I headed over to DJN AI to animate or give live these pictures. On your browser, type in DJN AI, that is it. Then click on this search button to search. Then it's going to bring you to this interface. This is our app, DJN AI. Then you click on sign up for free credits. Then you click on this sign up for free credits. You use your email. You enter your email address. It might ask you can click on continue with Google. If you click on continue with Google, you just enter your email address and continue. Once you sign up, you get 300 free credits, and daily you also get credits that will be added by the app. This is what the app's interface looks like. Click here to pick an image from your device. I'll pick this image, click on done, then give it time to load. It is loading, so we're going to wait for it to load and open. The image has uploaded completely, so you click here to enter your prompt. Whatever you want the image to do. You want it to talk, you want it to dance, you want it to smile, enter it here. For this image, I want it to smile, talk, and walk. So that is the prompt I'm entering here. When you are done entering your prompt, click on this tick sign to enable the prompt to load. Click here for lip syncing. Then click on the mic to enter your voice, enter your audio, your voice. Click on the red button to enter or record your voice or your audio. Play the audio to receive if this is what you got, if there are mistakes, if there are parts to be removed. If everything is okay, click on this tick sign to continue. Give it time to load. Click on this download icon to download your audio into your device. That is if you are okay with editing it or if you are okay with the audio. Now click on upload to select the audio you saved in your device. Click on media picker or wherever you saved the audio to take you to your device. Click on the part where you saved that audio. For me, I saved it inside my gallery, AI gallery. So click on it, click on recent upload, then select the latest upload or where to put your audio. Click on generate video, then give it time to generate. The world is evolving even more faster. Now the question is, the future. Do the same thing for each scene. After you've animated your images, you can use your video editing app to bring them together. I use CapCut, so this is what I got after I put the images or the scenes together. Are we preparing our learners for the future? The STEM education, science, mathematics, technology, engineering helps students think critically, solve real-life problems, and create innovative solutions. When schools integrate the STEM projects, learners don't just study, they explore, invent, and build confidence in their ability to change the world. As educators, we hold the key. Let's create awareness and include STEM education in every school curriculum, from primary to secondary. STEM education, empowering minds, transforming Nigeria.